Hello everyone. So today we are going to see one of the question on the cursor, that is write a cursor program to fetch even position rows from the employee table. So for this we require these attributes of the explicit cursor. I have already created a video on how to create a cursor and how to fetch data from cursor and how can we use these attributes. If you didn't watch that videos, then watch that videos. I will give link of the plsql playlist in the description, you can watch. So now let us see, write a program, cursor program to fetch even position rows from them. So let us write the program. So here I have already created a table called a employee. Here you can see, you can also create that table. Now what we have to do is fetch the even position rows. Means even position is king is at even position, Miller is at even, Raja is at even, Raju, then this and this. So now let us see how can we do that. So we'll write here cursor program declare cursor c1 is select employee name. Here we'll write employee number comma employee name. Let me see the column names. Yeah, from employee table. Now we'll declare the two variables, variable underscore employee number of data type number and variable underscore employee name of data type where char 2 of size 10. Now this is done, declaration block is done. Now it is time to write a execution block. So for that begin. Now we need to open the cursor, open cursor, then here we will write looping statements, loop and fetch c1 into variable employee number comma variable employee name. Now for exiting from this loop we need to write a condition when cursor percentile not found. Here we need to write exit when cursor 1 not found. When there is no data in the cursor 1, in that case we will exit from this loop. So now here comes a logic part. We need to write even position rows. So by using row count we can get the row number. So we will use this in this. So for that here we will write if condition, if here we will use mod of c1 percentile row count comma 2 equal to 0, then we will print dbms underscore output dot put underscore line variable employee number and semicolon comma here concatenation and variable employee name and end of the if and end of the loop end loop end of the execution block slash for executing. And here we can see even position rows we can get king, Miller. Here we can see king is at second position, means it is even position, Miller is at fourth position, even position. So these are the employees who are present at even position. So what we are doing, first one is declaration, next execution block start. First step is open the cursor. Here we are writing loop, then one by one fetching the data. For this loop it is infinite loop, so we need to exit. So for that we have to write one condition. So here I have written exit when c1 not found. So it will what, whenever there is no data further in cursor, in that case it will exit from the loop. Otherwise it will check if mod of, it will check whether the row is divided by 2 or not. In the case if the row number is divided by 2, in that case we will print employee number and employee name and end of the if block, and this is end of the loop and end of the execution block, and for executing this, and here we can see we are getting the result. So this is a way we can write a cursor program to fetch even position rows from employee table. Also we can use here odd position rows. For that we need to write is this all the same logic, but in the here we need to write not equal to. Here we will write not equal to, and we will get odd position rows we will get in that case.